Hello, I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the header and the footer of any page on your Squarespace website. Now, this is particularly useful if you have some kind of lead magnet, a freebie that you want to give away, or a sales page where you really want to focus your website visitors' attention on taking the call to action, buy now, sign up to my newsletter, sign up for my free gift, whatever it may be. And you don't want them to get distracted by other links and additional navigation that might encourage them to click off. So to do this, you will need to install a Chrome extension. I have that up here. It's called Squarespace Collection/Block Identifier. I will include a link to this in the description. Once it is installed, you'll see this little B appear in the top right hand side of Chrome where you've got your extensions. And what this will do is when you click on it on any particular page, it will identify the page ID or the block ID. And we need this so that when we add our code into our website, it can identify where we want to apply that code to, right? We're not trying to remove the header and the footer on every page, just this one page. So once you have this, I would encourage you to start on the page that you want to apply the code to. And then you're going to come into Design, scroll down to Custom CSS. And I have some code in here already. So we're just going to start a new line. And so I can identify it, I'm just going to put remove navigation website planner. So I know if I ever add this again to another page, I can identify each one. Take a new line and you're going to paste in this code. Now, don't worry about, writing this down. I will include this again in the description, and I will also have a blog post that goes alongside this, so you will be able to grab it in both places. You don't have to memorize this. Now you'll see here I have collection-ID. This is the part that we need to change. So in order to get the right page, we just click our extension and we select this collection because we want it to apply to this page. And I'm just going to paste that in here. Now you'll see that the header and the footer is now removed. So I can hit save, come back into design, open this up. I'll remove this extension so you can see what it looks like without, and the header and the footer navigation is gone. And again, you can apply this to as many pages as you want. You just need to be able to identify the collection ID. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.